Here's the new improved Bixler Biplane. I've faired in the lower wing, bit of 3mm core plus along the bottom, just sort of taped all the gaps, added some struts there, joined the two ailerons, done a bit of a paint job. Let's see how we go. I really like the Arctic camouflage look, easy to do. I only need black and grey paints, and I'm just using cheap acrylic poster paint, I guess it is. And the thing is, you really can't go wrong. You just do random shapes and it looks great. Covers up a ugly looking plane. Let's see how we go. The only thing I've lost is an easy place to launch from. So I've got fantastic roll authority now. Oh, that looks awesome. How cool is that? A lot of wind again. Let's try a roll. Whoops. Oh yeah, much better.
3 minutes.
The Bixler 3 really resists roll. But this is going well now. Looks like it was meant to be like this now.
Five minutes.